Bonjour, my name is Dzmitry Samal, I'm designer. Subscribe to my channel to know more about fashion, design and Paris. Hit the notification bell and enjoy this design and fashion moment with me. Milano, the capital of design and fashion. In terms of style and trends, Milano is as influential as Paris. I had the fantastic opportunity to study their design some time ago. It is a city where fashion, style and good taste spread everywhere. Via Monte Napoleone is an essential destination for luxury shopping in the city, often considered to be the key shopping street in Milan. It is a home to the biggest Italian and French design brands. It is indeed one of the most expensive streets in the world. And who we have here? Paul's pair, one of my best clients from Canada. He wears Dzmitry Samal Eyewear.
Oh, hi.
Hello there, how you doing?
Fine, and you?
Good, very good. We're coming here for 25 years.
Oh.
It's an amazing show. If you want to offer something unique to the client,
Yeah.
this is the show to come to.
And tell me about your glasses. What you're wearing?
So, Henry Samal, incredible line, handmade, unique design. It's
Yeah.
not for everyone, but if you want a cut above the ordinary, this is where you want to step up the plate to.
Mido, the world's most important trade fair for the optical industry, a meeting between professionals of eyewear industry. It is taking place at Rofiera, made in modern and avant-garde architecture. Looks like an intergalactic station, don't you think so? Meeting point for buyers, optical shops, designers and journalists.
Hi.
Hey guys, we're with Dzmitry Samal, amazing eyewear designer. He's in the Lab Academy here at Mido. So if you're here, do stop by because he makes the stuff that you just can't miss out on.
Thank you.
See ya.
Martin, my friend from TIFF magazine. He's interviewing me about my new collections.
Intersection of shapes,
Pixels.
super cool
that.
pixels.
Yeah.
You have some very masculine styles, but I mean, look at this one. Isn't that a beauty?
I think it's gonna be masculine.
I can make everything masculine, I feel.
Yeah, I think so.
No, very cool. I like kind of gothic, like a church window maybe, or
Yeah. It's inspiration of Tiffany's.
Tiffany's. Right, right.
Clarity of my frames. It's a fingerprint. All pieces has my fingerprint. So it's
On the temple tip, you put your own fingerprint.
Yeah, it's a logo, but it's also like small things, so I can touch all my clients.
So you're
Virtually.
constantly touching
Yeah.
the faces of your customers. Very cool. Funny, funky idea.
Exactly.
And you also put your own identity and your own fingerprint on the industry. I think you did a great job with
Thank
that.
you.
Thank you, Martin. I enjoy not only designing glasses but also meeting my clients and seeing their reactions, smiles and sometimes critics as well.
You can tag me.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Qatar. Bon allez, on regarde tout là.
Bien bronzé.
Attends, je passe ici, c'est ça, j'en ai posé.
Tu connais? Fatela qualunque.
Questo è bellissimo. Ça va bien avec ta chemise là. Elle est mignonne.
Elle est très très jolie, je trouve. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de ça?
I hope you enjoyed Milan with me. Do not hesitate to like and comment this video. Go to my Instagram accounts as well to discover my world. Au revoir!
Questi? Belli, no? Sono un po' piccoli.
No, se fai così va bene.
Però così sono un po' piccoli, che dici?
Fai così. Allora, sì, va bene.
Così. Con le queue. Scusate. You can sit with us. Sono bellissimi. Oh no, provati questi. Comunque, cioè, e io prendo questi, vai. Yeah.
Lui c'è piuttosto così.
Aspetta, piuttosto così. Così meglio. I'm with the designer. È bello.
Designer.
Sei designer, o no?
Sì,
Sei anche simpatico.
più o meno.
I feel like I'm a Barbie, you know, ready for Miami.